Hello everyone, this is Alec from Red Hat here with a quick demo of Knative Serving, the foundational part of serverless containers, allowing us to run container workloads in the most resource efficient way. I'm creating a project namespace in my OpenShift cluster where Knative is available thanks to the OpenShift Serverless operator. Now I am using Knative CLI to deploy my container application as a Knative service. It has been deployed so we can see it represented in the OpenShift project topology view. The revision represents the current configuration, including the container image I used, and also the app is exposed using the route where we can pick the URL and test the service. Meanwhile, our workload was not receiving any inbound requests, so Knative decided to scale it down to 0 pods. No running pods means no over-provisioning. Resources are available to other active workloads in the cluster. I'm using K6, my favorite load testing tool, towards the exposed endpoint. We can see how Knative spun up the first pod to receive the incoming traffic. And as long as the rate of inbound requests ramps up, Knative will start additional pods to accommodate the load. Here we go, the second pod has been started. And now let's introduce the update for our service right in the middle of the test. Here I'm pointing out to the updated container image. A new revision has been created. Knative launches the appropriate number of pods. And by default, all the incoming traffic is being forwarded to them. Let's wait until our test is completed. As the load goes down, Knative stops unnecessary container instances. And now the test is completed. We also can see that our rollout has not affected our test results. All requests succeeded. Our takeaways from the demo are the following. Knative fits well for applications experiencing either regular or unpredictable bursts of inbound load, for event-driven applications, or in general when we are seeking for the best resource utilization in the cluster. A serverless container can be implemented with any language or runtime, but the faster it starts, the better it scales out. Knative functions might help us to address that. Knative services are components working via HTTP only, but Knative eventing will allow us to connect those services to the event mesh backed by asynchronous messaging brokers such as Apache Kafka. Knative is generally available for any OpenShift clusters with the OpenShift Serverless operator. hope this demo was helpful. See you later.